Coming to you, Mr. Prashanth GS, I want you to open the debate for us. The state government, the Congress party, even when this entire debate was going on, was clearly of the opinion that this particular order of the erstwhile BJP government in the state of Karnataka is not correct. They had opposed this order. This was the official position also in some ways that was taken by the Congress party, though they then refused to speak on the matter because it became sub judice. The fact that the Chief Minister wants to reconsider that order is not surprising at all, or is it, sir?
Definitely not. See, anything that anybody does to empower women, Congress stops it. It is always on record. And now it is very clear from the actions of Siddaramaiah that to hide the government's failure on governance, he is raking this issue up. There was no appeal by anybody to say to Siddaramaiah to say bring back this or we want hijab. He is suo moto issued a statement saying that I would ban hijab or the order which BJP had given in the past, which Congress challenged, and the matter went into High Court. High Court said that hijab is not an essential practice of in Islam, and then the matter is pending before Supreme Court now. When the matter is sub judice, only to hide the government's failure, and you take what Siddaramaiah did 2 days ago. He went to New Delhi for meeting the central ministers for drought relief. Then how did he come back? In a luxury jet owned by his minister. To cover up those issues, they are resorting to this political bickering. Otherwise, Congress has never stood for empowerment of women, especially Muslim women. You look at what happened with Shah Bano during Rajiv Gandhi's regime. And this is the same government, Congress government at all levels, different state governments and national level, which is opposed triple talaq. So where do they talk about empowering women, more so Muslim women, when all the regressive measures such as triple talaq, Congress has backed it.
But Prashantji, one of the argument earlier was, and I remember this debate, I've tracked this as a court reporter, that this entire necessary issue was not rigged up by the Congress party, it was rigged up by the BJP. You made it an issue in the state of Karnataka only to polarize the debate. Similar arguments have been made. And so talking about the empowerment of women, there is a certain section, I don't necessarily agree with it, there's a certain section that argues that women should be allowed to decide what they want to wear and how they want to cover themselves. No government should be telling them the manner of dressing which is acceptable. Mr. Prashanth.
Absolutely, I'm completely with that statement. We are nobody to tell women how they should dress and what they should do. But the issue here is you can't pollute children's minds in the school to say we are different. Why do you have uniforms in schools? There should not be a distinction between haves and have-nots in schools. Similarly, religion cannot play a part when children are being brought about, so that you can't polarize the young minds.
Okay.
So look at the generation of tomorrow, which is why this hijab is not banned in workplaces or different places if the employer or the company policy cites so. But how can you do that in a school?